Vericom's push-pull LC duplex fiber optic patch cables are pre-configured in standard AB polarity, perfect for immediate use with most network devices. These cables are built for versatility, enabling you to easily modify polarity to accommodate varying network setups, whether connecting diverse equipment or extending connections.
This modification is straightforward and requires no additional tools or adapters.
Watch as we demonstrate how easy it is to adjust these cables to meet your specific network requirements. First, remove the boot by gripping the connector end and pulling the boot away from the connector.
Open the connector end and switch the polarity.
Then close the cover and push the boot firmly back into place. If you have any questions, or would like more information on Vericom's push-pull LC duplex patch cables, contact us today.